Let's replace this back. So I have the battery here. I forgot the top. I forgot the top, so I'm going to take it now. Shit. My leg's gonna hurt, so I can't go around. Both my legs are hurt. They're hurting so much, so I can't run or something because my leg hurts. Supports and yeah, boy. So yeah, good destruction, best ever. Bye.